Whoa!
Oh.
Yo, this is actually perfect. Are you? It's happening! I told you. I told.
Southwest. There's a huge figure in the.
Yeah, of course we can see it, Cypher, the plane. Dude, what is he doing?
He's summoning monsters, dude.
Yo. What is that whoosh?
I'm staying in the plane. Are you guys all staying in the
What is
plane?
that?
He's gonna cover the whole map in snow in this.
Yo, dude.
Snowstorm. Darude.
Look, yo, I can't see.
My screen's frozen.
Same?
He just punched me in the face.
Did you just cover the whole map with snow?
Yeah.
Yes, he did.
Oh,
Open
it
your
just
mini
changed.
map.
It just changed.
Yeah,
the whole map is
just like-
changing. Oh.
What's
Is that
happening?
it?
Is that it?
There's definitely zombies down there. Watch your step.
Watch you, be careful, dude.
Should we land at?
Everybody, or else we might not see the event.
Oh no, that's not good.
All right, get ready. Land the top of
I
the
like the
castle.
events where we just float in the air. That's my jam. Wait, we're going to Polar Peak? Yeah?
Mm-hmm.
Alright.
Land the top of the castle. We need to fight for it.
Alright.
We need to fight for our right to party.
I can't make top of the castle, but I'll make like middle part of the castle.
Yeah, there's quite a few people landing here. Oh, they're trying to pickaxe. That's what you guys get. That's what you guys get.
I have a med kit for you.
Oh my gosh, Ramirez was so mad at me. Oh my gosh, I'm sorry.
Here.
Alright. Okay, we need to guard the staircase.
Do you want 2 minis? Yeah, I'll give you another one.
Okay, above us, people put traps, I think. Okay,
Yeah.
we need to block off this staircase because we need to make sure nobody gets up here. Okay, let's just check this down here real quick.
Alright.
Okay.
Woo!
Jump up here.
The castle is ours!
We have secured the castle. Gosh, there's everybody.
Yes,
Okay,
oh
break.
gosh, there he
Break
is.
like these little things. Break. Oh, there's a guy dancing up there. Don't kill
Oh,
him.
jeez. Okay.
Oh, bro, why'd you jump off?
I don't know.
Get the hell off our castle.
So we
Replace
put,
it all with our
troops
floors.
here. That? Okay.
Yeah, I don't want anyone up here.
This is
See,
our peak!
I didn't feel bad about taking those people out because they were hurting me and they can reek you really quick.
Yeah.
That guy's floating with balloons. If anyone looks like a threat, we gotta take him out. That guy's trying to ruin the fun. That's what you get for trying to ruin the fun. I won't shoot you if you're not trying to ruin the fun. Okay.
There's a lot of people. I wish we had a TV on this roof. How good would that be if there was a TV here?
Right.
I'll knock them. Look for the blue guy.
How much time's left?
Oh,
Just
like
build-
any minute, I think.
Build walls. It's 1 minute from now. 1 minute. 1 minute, chat.
1 minute!
Okay, build normal walls. Just edit them back.
Yeah, mine on that side.
And then here, ramp it. Imagine somebody this whole time spent breaking down the castle.
Right? And then we just fall.
That'd be
1
bad.
more minute!
Alright.
Oh, what you doing? Oh, I'm making your thing all spicy. Alright, we get it. Oh, look at all the planes coming in.
Get off that one.
Oh, gosh.
Let them witness the event. Oh no, don't be a jerk. Don't be a jerk.
Ah, I'm scared.
We literally have
I want it
3
to
seconds.
happen.
Here we go, here we
Hurry
go.
up.
Oh, they're there.
Yes!
What's happening?
This is the most perfect view.
Right? Oh, he's doing something.
Oh, oh!
Oh, hello. Hello, darkness. Oh,
Can we kill him? Oh my gosh! I'm sorry, sorry for trying to shoot
Oh,
at your
look to the
younger
right!
son.
What the heck?
I'm sorry.
Well, hello.
I love
oh, no,
you,
no,
Dad.
no, chill.
Oh. Let's everybody just relax.
What is he doing?
I don't know. I think he's gonna punch us.
Oh, God. Oh, wow. Oh! What the heck? Samara?
It's quite stormy. I'm guessing this is why the bread and milk was sold out.
Yes, I believe so. Oh, I think the entire map is snowy now.
I knew it!
Is that
That's
it?
what I said!
Oh,
Oh,
there's lightning bolts. Oh, there's zombies. I knew it.
Stop. Did the
There's
zombies
ice
come back?
zombies.
No,
Look,
they
look, you
didn't.
see that over there where I just marked?
Yeah.
That's like the zombie thing.
Is it those zombie spawns?
It must be.
Wait, so did he seriously just make the whole map snow and then add zombies? How is there snow in the desert? This is global warming for you. This is
Now
what
I'm
global
taking
warming
people
does.
out, Samara.
Oh no.
All right, we gotta go see one of these zombie things.
We gotta go down.
All right, I believe there's ice zombies. Come through.
Well, they must look it. Like, they're gotta be looking a little. Are they straight up gonna
Look
be
at the
like,
map.
ice
The map is
zombies?
all
Or is it
ice.
gonna be-
I don't know.
The map is snow.
The map is snow. Here, let's keep going down.
Snow.
There. Why are you bringing that? Yeah, break that. Oh, chill. There we go. There's somebody here.